Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codeandtest.com. In this video we'll learn how to insert CSS code externally. Okay, and this is the best way. Best way to insert CSS is to write it in a different file and then refer it in HTML code. Okay, so I have here an empty notepad. Okay, I'll open that notepad and I'll write CSS code in that. Okay, so and let me save this file as sample sample.css. Okay, and this file will only contain CSS code and is used with and is saved with .css file extension. Okay, .css file extension, and in save as type I'll give all files. Okay, so there you go. First I had only new text document, now I have sample document also. Okay, and in this I'll write some code. Body. Okay, body background pink, the same example what we used in the last two videos. Okay, I'll save this. Alright, this is our selector and this is our declaration block. Okay, I'll save that. I saved that. Alright, so in sample.css I have my CSS code written, only the CSS code written. Okay, so my system is a little slow. Okay, see here, sample.css has only CSS code written in it. Okay, now I'll write a new file and I'll save this file as example.html. okay, example, and this is an HTML file. Okay, HTML close. Okay, head section, and we write CSS code in head section of HTML. Okay, and the CSS file is referred from HTML file using link tag. Okay, that is link, LINK, link tag, REL, and we write style sheet here. Okay, style sheet, text, not text, I'm sorry, type equal to text/CSS. we are telling the browser that we are dealing with CSS here. Okay, href, and we are calling that file. In our case it was sample. Okay, sample.css. okay, so let's close this link tag. So in the head section the CSS file is referred, okay, using link tag, link. Alright, so that's about referring CSS file from HTML file. So So let me write body here. Now we are back to HTML again here. Body. Hi there, how are you? Okay, I'm using same example in the last 3 videos so that it's easier for you guys to understand how to insert CSS inline and CSS internally and CSS externally. Alright, so I'll save this, okay, and I'll run this in Chrome. Like I said, my system is a little slow. I need to format this system. So here it's the example. Damn, it's very slow. Okay, see here, hi there, how are you, with pink background. Okay, so in this video what we did was we created 2 files. Okay, first one was sample.css file, okay, and it had only CSS code in it, and the other was example.html. okay, and this is an HTML file, and in this HTML file we are calling or we are referring the CSS file, okay, using link tag. So the CSS file is referred from this HTML file using link tag. Okay, this is the best way to insert CSS code. Okay, to write CSS code in a different file and then refer it in HTML code. Alright, and because this is ideal when the style is applied to many web pages. Usually web designers will change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. Okay, so it's highly recommended you use this kind of method, that is writing CSS code in an external file and then calling that file in the HTML file. Okay, so this is an example for inserting CSS externally. I hope this is clear, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.